Okay, so for my project, me and my partner Kylie, we came up with the name Little Black Dress, and it's where we sell little black dresses with unique designs, with like cool fabric designs and studying. And first off, we did some research and we found that Forever 21 sold their dresses from $20 to $21. Charlotte Russe sold theirs for about $20, and H&M sold theirs for about $15 to $18. And so with that, we went and we looked at studs and how much that would cost, and we found that you can get a box of 100 for $15.99. And then we went to a fabric store, and we found that they sold fabric for $2.50 a yard. So with all of that, we made a poll everywhere, and in our poll everywhere, we asked people how much they would pay for it, and around, they said between $15 and $20, so we just went with $16, just for like added expense for the studs and fabric. So our price is $16, and with that, we came up with our expense, and we found that it would cost us $11.50 to make one dress. So our total profit is Y equals 1150x, plus our start out cost would be $7,250, and our profit rate would be Y equals 16x. And with that $17,250, we would make 150 dresses at first. Okay, so in order to find where our two lines would cross and we'd have a break-even point, we solved for our two equations using substitution. So in our first equation, we did, since it was Y equals 1150x plus 17,250, we moved the Y over next to the x, so it was 1150x plus Y equals 17,250, and since we have the equation Y equals 16x, we switched the Y out for the 16, and so our new equation was 1150x plus $16 equals 17,250, and then we minus the 16 from both sides and got 1150x equals 17,234, and then we divided the 1150 from the 17,234 and got x equals 499. And so with that, we solved for our profit, which is Y equals 16x, and we did Y equals 16x times 1,499, and we got Y equals to 23,984. So our break-even point was 1,499 for X, and then 23,984 for Y. And so we found that our break-even point was when we sold 1,000 and 1,500 dresses that we would break even. And our slogan was "Buy our dress because it's cooler than yours."